Hey everyone, welcome back to the Pony Piston channel. Today I'm really excited because we're talking about the brand new 2026 Kia Telluride, a family SUV that has built up a huge fan base over the years. If you've been following the Telluride since it first launched, you already know it's one of Kia's biggest success stories, and for 2026, it's coming back with some major updates that push it even further. Let's start with the design, because that's the first thing people notice. The Telluride has always been known for its bold, boxy styling, and Kia has kept that DNA intact, but the 2026 version looks sharper, more modern, and more premium. The front grille has been slightly reshaped with cleaner lines, the headlights are sleeker with a new LED signature, and the overall stance feels wider and tougher. It still has that big family SUV look, but now it feels a bit more upscale, like it's ready to compete with higher-end brands. What's really exciting is the powertrain. Kia knows the market is shifting toward hybrids and electrification, and the 2026 Telluride is stepping into that game. Alongside the traditional V6 option that people love, Kia is expected to introduce a hybrid model. This should give you better fuel economy without losing that strong, confident driving feel. Imagine having the same roomy, comfortable SUV, but now with fewer gas station visits. For families who take long trips, or even for daily commutes, that's going to be a big win. And speaking of trips, Kia has put more effort into making the Telluride a stronger off-road companion. The 2026 version will offer upgraded all-wheel drive systems and new drive modes that can handle mud, snow, and even some rocky trails. We're not talking hardcore rock crawling like a Jeep Wrangler, but it's definitely designed to give you confidence if your adventures take you off the pavement. The ride height and suspension have been fine-tuned too, which means smoother handling whether you're cruising the highway or exploring a dirt road. Step inside, and you'll see even more changes. The Telluride has always impressed with its spacious cabin, and for 2026, Kia has turned up the luxury. The dashboard now features a wider, curved display that blends the digital gauge cluster and the infotainment screen into one sleek piece. The system feels more modern, faster, and packed with features. Wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto are standard, and Kia has added more voice controls, so you can talk to your car the same way you talk to your phone. Materials have also been upgraded. Soft touch panels, richer leather options, and even eco-friendly fabrics for those who want. A sustainable choice. And don't worry, the third row is still roomy enough for adults, which is one of the reasons the Telluride became so popular in the first place. Now, let's talk about pricing, because this is where Kia usually shines. The current Telluride already gives you a lot for your money, and while the 2026 model will likely cost a bit more due to all the upgrades, it's still expected to stay very competitive. The base trims should remain affordable for families looking for value, while the higher trims will start to creep into luxury territory, but with features you'd normally pay much more for in other brands. If you're considering rivals like the Toyota Highlander, Honda Pilot, or even some luxury SUVs like the Acura MDX, the Telluride will still give you a better deal. Comparing it to past models, the 2026 Telluride feels like a natural evolution. The original won people over with its space and styling, the mid-cycle updates brought more tech, and now this new version ties everything together. You're getting the same trusted formula, big, comfortable, stylish SUV, but with the modern touches that keep it relevant in a world that's quickly moving toward hybrids, smarter technology, and more adventure-ready designs. At the end of the day, the 2026 Kia Telluride isn't about reinventing itself. It's about refining what already worked and adding just enough to keep buyers excited. Whether you're a longtime Telluride fan or someone just starting to look at midsize SUVs, this one deserves a serious spot on your list. So, what do you think? Is the new design a hit? And would you go for the hybrid option or stick with the classic V6? Let me know in the comments. I'd love to hear your thoughts. And if you found this video helpful, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more updates on the latest cars. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.